LTI-Mindtree for issuing equity shares of LTI pursuant to the scheme is expected to be on 24th November 22. LTI and Mindtree are uniquely positioned to combine and scale up historical performance, and recent industry shift indicate significant advantage to being a larger player in terms of better margin profile, higher participation in large deals, which is very, very important, greater ability to stitch together end-to-end offering, and deeper engagement with hyperscalers to drive significant value. LTI-Mindtree will not just continue but also build upon this growth momentum with deeper capabilities and greater access to new clients in complementary verticals will create enormous cross-sell and upsell opportunities. The merged entity will deliver enhanced value to both new as well as existing clients through cross-pollination of learning and capabilities across its expanded portfolio. By building upon the complementary strength of both companies, LTI-Mindtree aspires to go from good to great and drive double-digit growth over the next 5 years. At a higher PAT margin, L&T, the parent company, will hold 68.73% of LTI-Mindtree. L&T's Lakshya 2026, which is our strategic plan, envisages a three-pronged approach involving infrastructure as a group, manufacturing, very high-tech manufacturing, and IT and technology services. Obviously, some platform designing and creation and some companies we have started as a kind of startup effort from and will form an asset-light business. The merged entity marks a significant milestone in furthering the strategic vision of expanding L&T's IT services business to around 26% of our total business by the year 2026. It might even be much higher when it comes to market cap. LTI-Mindtree will continue to retain its independence as a listed enterprise. L&T is committed to growing the technology services business and will support the new entity and help all stakeholders in value creation. Our endeavor is to make sure that there are no changes in the high levels of engagement, responsiveness, and entrepreneurship that have made both LTI and Mindtree special to their customers, partners, and employees. I wish to take this opportunity to thank clients, partners, analysts, investors, and our talented team for their support in helping LTI and Mindtree grow from strength to strength despite microeconomic challenges. And I look forward to their continued trust and support in powering the next phase of our growth as LTI-Mindtree. Now, let me turn to our CEO and MD, Mr. Debashish Chatterjee, to say what he wants to say about this merged entity and what he sees as a future of this company.
Thank you, sir, and good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. It's indeed an honor for me to address you today. At the outset, let me express my gratitude to Mr. A.M. Naik, and Mr. S. N. Subramanian for entrusting me with the responsibility to lead LTI-Mindtree. Today is a red letter day for the L&T Group, LTI, Mindtree and the Indian IT services industry. For L&T, the coming together of LTI and Mindtree signifies a giant leap in its strategy to turn technology services into a fundamental pillar of its growing business. For LTI and Mindtree, joining hands opens doors to momentous new opportunities for growth and value creation as a combined at-scale player. For the Indian IT services industry, LTI-Mindtree marks the historic emergence of the next large-scale IT services player. LTI-Mindtree combines LTI's engineering and Mindtree's software DNAs, blending their problem-solving and digital-first strengths into a unique value proposition for clients. By combining the complementary strengths of LTI and Mindtree, LTI-Mindtree will unlock the benefits of scale, a stronger portfolio of capabilities and offerings across verticals and geographies, enhanced stakeholder engagement, and streamlined delivery. With a stronger, more distinctive employee value proposition, LTI-Mindtree will also be a magnet for cutting-edge talent. Digital transformation today firmly placed at the heart of competitive advantage and sustainable growth. It has assumed further momentum and urgency because of rapid changes in digital technologies as well as growing expectations from them. Long-standing industry dynamics are being upended by a number of factors. Next-generation businesses and revenue streams are being conceived, tested, implemented, and refined with a vengeance. Industry boundaries are blurring rapidly as industry intersections become crucibles of new ideas and opportunities. The rush to modernize with new-age technologies and build greater resilience has never been more pressing. With end-to-end transformational capabilities spanning businesses, experiences, infrastructure, and operations, LTI-Mindtree is well positioned to deliver differentiated value as an at-scale player. Helping businesses to accelerate strategic business outcomes falls in the sweet spot of LTI-Mindtree because of our strong diversified portfolio of services and skills across a wider market footprint, increased ability to deliver across larger, more significant transformation requirements, stronger balance sheet to support investments in platforms, people, technologies, and client relationships, expanded market making in collaboration with hyperscalers, enterprise solutions, SaaS platforms, and product companies. And most importantly, a convergent point of view based on our expanded cross-industry expertise. LTI-Mindtree will leverage revenue synergies between two of the highly complementary entities to drive growth through upsell, cross-sell opportunities, and the ability to stitch integrated offerings across multiple service lines to participate in large-scale IT transformations. In LTI-Mindtree, clients will find a partner large enough to take on the most complex of their transformational aspirations, yet small enough to do so with the appetite and agility of a startup. Helping me steer the new organization to a greater heights will be our leaders. Sudhir Chaturvedi as President Markets, Venu Lambu as President Markets, Nachiket Deshpande as Chief Operating Officer, Vineet Teredesai as Chief Financial Officer, Manoj Shikhar Khane as Chief Human Resources Officer, and Suresh Betabandhu as Chief Talent Officer. As LTI-Mindtree, our endeavor will be to help enterprises to do more than just keep pace with change, but also take on the future, ahead of time and competition in all its complexity and potential. With our expanded offerings, we are confident in our ability to help enterprises harness the full power of technology and reinvention to get to the future faster together. Thank you.
Very